This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time management easy method. Start by listing 3 priority tasks and set a single timer for focused work blocks. Break each task into clear, small steps and schedule them into realistic slots. Keep breaks short and consistent to maintain energy and momentum. At day's end, review what you completed, adjust tomorrow's list, and celebrate small wins to stay motivated and improve over time. The core technique is simple and flexible. Pick one priority, set a focused work period, and limit distractions. Work in predictable intervals like 25 to 50 minutes, then take a planned short break. Group similar tasks together so your brain stays in one mode and you complete more with less effort. Track how long tasks actually take and adjust your intervals to match your natural concentration rhythm for better flow and results. Simple tools and habits make this method reliable and easy to keep. Use a timer app or a physical timer to enforce work and break periods without overthinking. Maintain one to-do list and highlight the top 3 priorities each morning so decisions are fast. Set firm end times to protect personal time and avoid spinning on low-value tasks. With these small systems, consistency becomes effortless and stress falls away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.